In this Sketch Genius review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to take any normal picture, any photo, and turn that into a 3D sketch animated video. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, and how you can get a special bundle discount on the front end offer and all of the OTOs. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Sketch Genius, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these different bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Pay Kickstart after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says turn photos and text into high-impact 3D sketch animated videos using artificial intelligence. Essentially, what the software allows you to do is just that. You can take these images, turn them into these sketch videos. You can also sell these videos since the commercial license is included on the front-end offer at a one-time price. You get unlimited usage and commercial license included with this. It works on Mac, Windows, Chrome. It says it's the world's first photo to sketch video maker powered by artificial intelligence, speech to text transcription, never before seen sketch themes, male and female hands, flexible timeline editor, one-click translation, lifelike text to speech, millions of royalty-free images, all these different things, background removal, unlimited usage, commercial license, all included inside of your purchase. Now, they've got some cool examples here, kind of showing it on the page. Just taking an image, and it will drag in software here, and it'll actually turn it into a video like this, like someone's actually drawing it, which actually gets people's attention. Here's a charcoal sketch video here. You can see it looks like a charcoal sketch. Here's another one, animated notebook videos. It looks like on a notebook background. Here's a pencil color video, so it has colors as well with it. Chalkboard drawings included with it as well. Blueprint sketches. You can see here, and of course there's some demos here, some more examples of this on the sales page that you can take a look at. If you compare this to competing apps, it does all of these different things all together these other apps don't do, and this one again is a one-time price. You just log in, you select your sketch theme and title, you customize to make it unique to your brand, and then you render it, and you get unlimited videos forever with your rendering with this. So it's a pretty big thing there. A lot of these ones have like credit systems involved with it. This one allows you to do as many as you want. You can use it for your own business. You can use it to sell to other businesses. No monthly fees, no limits, no learning curve, no rendering fees, no installation, no storage costs at all included with this. You can put them on YouTube. You can do educational videos, e-commerce videos, product presentations, social media ads. You can drive traffic with it by putting them on like places like Facebook, etc. with this. So that's the software. There's two different versions. There's a commercial and a personal. Most people get the commercial one. It gives you all the extra things here like the commercial license, so you can sell the videos, the Facebook group, the Skype mentorship group access, 8-week training webinars, and it's just a little bit more to get that. So that's the front end offer. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the back end area, the OTOs, and I'm going to show you how you can get a bundle discount.
Hey, this is Paul Pona. Within minutes from now, you will learn how to transform boring, static photos into visually captivating 3D drawings and sketch animation videos in various colors, sketch styles, and backgrounds within minutes. Sketch Genius features revolutionary first-to-market 3D sketch animation technology and next-generation artificial intelligence to create unlimited pixel-perfect sketch animated videos that you cannot make with any other app. This is unlike any other basic doodle app that creates boring 2D animations and requires hours of manual effort and editing to create videos. Other competing apps charge hefty monthly fees and only allow you to create short videos. Sketch Genius gives you the ability to create ultra long length videos. There are no monthly or yearly subscriptions. Pay once and create unlimited videos forever. No limits or restrictions ever. Log into your account and instantly deploy the artificial intelligence technology that utilizes our smart machine learning platform to create studio quality videos without any technical skills or experience and stay light years ahead of the competition. Sketch Genius is the only app in the market with a virtual brain to simplify, automate, and create mesmerizing, scintillating, and captivating sketch animated videos that drive real results. Imagine uploading your image and turning it into a world-class sketch animated video with automatic color grading, textures, highlights, shadows, realistic drawings, and other never seen before artistic effects in seconds without any extra editing. Imagine pasting simple text and turning it into beautiful video scenes with all the relevant photos, images, and without any manual searching needed. This is where our artificial intelligence does all the heavy lifting. Add voice to your videos in a single click with the award-winning text-to-speech in hundreds of lifelike male and female voices and accents in all the top languages. This is the largest library of premium voices available in any one app. You can even upload your own voiceovers and use it in your video. Don't have a script or don't know what to type or what type of video to create? No problem. Convert any existing audio into text and translate it into any language with our revolutionary speech-to-text transcription and one-click translation engine. Sketch Genius gives you access to all the multilingual capabilities to repurpose your existing voice and audio assets into different languages and build beautiful videos to target global audiences. Sketch Genius removes the guesswork out of the equation by detecting the colors, shapes, and borders in your images to create professional 3D sketch animations without much effort. This is perfect for newbies with no experience in video creation. For the first time ever, create unique videos and stand out from the competition with numerous first-to-market sketch styles and themes, including crayon sketch, chalkboard, vintage style, sketchbook, notebook, sketch logo reveal, blueprint, color, and black and white sketch video styles. Video creation is super easy. You don't need any third-party apps or plugins. Everything you need to rev up your creativity and create mesmerizing videos is accessible via one dashboard. Log in via any browser and start creating videos in 3 easy steps. Simply select the sketch style, pick your customization options, and click Create. The ultra-flexible timeline editor with revolutionary open canvas makes it a breeze to edit your videos without any technical skills. Edit, customize, and create your custom sketch videos in minutes. And here's the best part. The app is designed to automatically process your audio and split it into scenes with timestamps to save you hours of manual editing. Edit your videos by simply editing the text using our futuristic transcription and voice detection technology. Want to crop or delete a segment in your video? Well, simply delete the text and you are done. No need for complicated frame editing and syncing that will save you hours of time. It's like magic. Choose from numerous hand styles, first-to-market sketch themes, custom backgrounds, and sizzling hot animations to create innovative and unique videos that stand out from the crowd and deliver real results. Add subtitles to your videos with a single click. According to latest research, 85% of videos on social media are watched without sound. Subtitles and captions are a great way to boost engagement, leads, and sales. Don't have your own photos to create sketch videos? We got you covered. Create videos in any topic with our huge royalty-free library featuring millions of images in every topic that you can imagine. Elevate your videos by adding music with our included music library featuring hundreds of copyright-free music tracks. Render your videos in HD quality for crystal clear videos that wow your audiences. The possibilities are truly endless. Turn your family portraits or photos into eye-popping sketch animated videos. Create profit-pulling video commercials and product showcase videos for e-commerce. Turn your static logos into animated logo reveals. Make scroll-stopping video intros and super unique, powerful video presentations in any niche or language for personal or commercial use on your client projects. Create unlimited videos for clients or sell them as a freelancer to turn an easy profit. Sell just one video and this will pay your entire membership and the rest is all profit. The game-changing technologies and features included make it a perfect choice for content creators, authors, coaches, teachers, business owners, digital marketers, freelancers, social media managers, and anyone else looking to grow their brand and get mind-blowing results with their videos. All the premium cutting-edge features and future updates are included in the price. You get unlimited usage to everything for a low one-time price. Step-by-step training is included. We will show you the exact steps on how you can make $100, $500, or even $1,000 for every video that you create inside Sketch Genius. What you saw so far is just the tip of the iceberg. There are at least 50 other powerful features that you can explore on this page. Make sure to check out the demo video below to discover the true potential of Sketch Genius. Imagine the power of delivering your video messages in multiple languages with a wide variety of visually stunning sketch animated videos. With all the award-winning features, you simply cannot go wrong. Our goal is to provide you with the best possible value at the lowest possible price. Access the app from anywhere on any device. No installation or configuration needed. Log in within seconds and start creating beautiful videos. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority, so you can get all the future software updates for free. You never have to pay extra for new features and releases that we do down the line. Due to the ongoing server costs and all the premium features packed into Sketch Genius, we cannot keep this low one-time price up for long. The special deal on this page may expire at any time without notice. This is time sensitive, so take advantage of the special deal now. You can spend months and thousands of dollars trying to hire animators, copywriters, video editors to create videos, or simply click on the button below to get Sketch Genius right now for a low one-time price without any subscription costs. Click the button below to grab the special one-time pricing before this changes to a monthly subscription. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the backend area here once you log in. Now there are multiple OTOs. So the first one here says explode your potential, your profit potential with the Sketch Supercharger app and ultra premium features with this. So this is a one-time upgrade. You get the Sketch Supercharger app with this. So this is like the basic version, and this is the supercharged version. So it just gives you, they look nicer. It's an upgrade if you want to do it with this, if you want to upgrade it. But it's an optional upgrade. You don't have to get it if you don't want to. Priority video rendering, so it renders faster. You can get 15-minute video lengths with this, so you can unlock the ability to create videos up to 15 minutes. It's 10 minutes on the front end and 15 minutes. So if you want longer videos, it also gives you 1080p. The front end is 720p. This one gives you 1080p video, so the videos will look nicer. Priority support as well with this. The next upgrade, you can sell your Sketch Genius videos for $300 to $500 each without any hard work or meeting clients in person. So this is the done for you agency bundle. With this, it's going to give you 5 simultaneous logins for virtual workers and families, step-by-step client getting training, done for you agency marketing bundle with this. So a way of actually going and selling this to make money with it. Done for you websites, videos, all that included. Next one here, it's going to unlock hidden features, it says with this. So with this one, you get premium sketch themes, premium sketch hands, text-to-speech voices, 150,000 ready-made video scripts, all these different voiceovers, royalty-free images, all these extra things added in for a one-time price. Then they've got another one here, 4 additional powerful video apps that you can add in. You get a video automator app, video resizer app, video player app, and a video editor app, all for a one-time price. Now, that's a lot of different upgrades there. If you want to skip all that, you know you want a bunch of the upgrades, but you don't want to pay that higher price, what you can do, and I'll have a link below as well, either in my, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can watch it in the description, or I'll have it on my bonus page as well here, where you can get everything for a bundle discount. And make sure it looks like there's a discount code bundle to get $40 off, but you can get everything, the commercial license, the all the different upgrades, the reseller, the elite upgrades, the 4-in-1 software, the extra, everything all included inside of this for a one-time discounted price for this. And it's going to be a big discount on this. It says I don't want to push bundle save. It looks like you save like $50 if you do that, plus you get that discount there. So you can get a big discount on this and get that bundle deal if you want to. But of course, all these different OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Sketch Genius and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, I mean, these things are really exciting. There's a lot of hype behind these launches. Don't think that a sketch app is going to magically make you $1 million online. It's not going to happen. This is a tool for your business, not some magic push button system. What do I like about this? Paul and his team do a great job of putting out high quality software. They're in this for the long run. They keep their software running. If you're looking for a tool that's going to make exactly what it does, what it says here, 3D sketch animated videos that you can either use for yourself or you can sell to others, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Sketch Genius, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.